Okay guys, so today we're gonna cook some chana or chickpeas. So these are the ingredients that we're going to need in order to cook our chana. Or like I said, another name for it is chickpeas. Now, this is how it looks before you soak it in water. It's very hard, as you can see, and it looks small. But after you soak it overnight in water, now I changed my water twice. As you can see, it gets hydrated nicely and plumps up, gets really big. So you have to soak this overnight, and you would want to change out your water at least twice. So this is a 1.75 cups of our chickpeas. This here is about a tablespoon of crushed garlic, or 9 cloves of garlic here crushed. This is half a teaspoon of garlic chili sauce. This here is 1 tablespoon of curry powder, and this is 1 tablespoon of green seasoning. I will put a video link as to how to make this, and of course we're going to need salt to taste. So let's get putting everything together. In this bowl here, I'm going to add my chickpeas. I'm going to add my garlic and garlic chili sauce. Okay guys, I forgot to mention that we're also going to add a 1/2 cup of onions as well. So let's put that in. We're going to add our green seasoning. Okay, so let's mix everything together. I'm not going to add the salt at this point in time because I'm going to pressure cook my chickpeas. And when you want to soften stuff, you don't add salt before. So I'm gonna first pressure cook these chickpeas, get it nice and soft, and then I'm gonna add my salt to taste. That green seasoning smells really good. All right, so now we're gonna head over to the stove. Now before, what we're gonna do, we're gonna fry the curry first. In the pot, we have to make sure we toast and fry our curry for about 2 minutes. And then I'm gonna add in the chana, add in water to cover it and pressure cook it. So let's head over to the stove. That is something that I forgot to mention. At the end after it is cooked and soft, the chana or the chickpeas, we're gonna also add in 1 teaspoon of jeera or cumin. So we're gonna add some oil to our pot. And we're going to fry our curry powder. We want to toast this or cook the curry powder for about 2 minutes. Okay, so to help cook this, I'm going to add some water. That was a hot pot. So we're just going to leave this to cook for a while. Okay guys, so our curry has been frying up for about 2 minutes or so. So now what we're going to do is add in our chickpeas and mix everything well together. So I'm just mixing the chana here so that the curry gets incorporated with it. I'm going to leave it here to heat through for a bit, and then I'm going to add the water and cover it and pressure cook it. I'm going to pressure cook for about 8 minutes first, and then I'm going to check it to see if it's soft, and if I need to pressure cook it some more, I will add, if I need to add more water, I'll add some more water and pressure cook it. So basically you're going to pressure cook it until it gets soft. Okay, so guys, at this point we're going to add in our water. Now the same bowl that I had the chickpeas seasoned in, I just added water to it. I'm going to add that to this now. And pressure cook about 8 to 10 minutes. Okay guys, so when your pressure cooker starts to make that noise and starts to spin, you then turn down the heat and we will leave it to pressure cook for about 8 to 10 minutes. Okay guys, so 8 minutes is up, but I'm not going to open it as yet. I'm not going to take off the pressure cooker as yet. I will leave it for about 5 more minutes. Then I'm going to turn off the stove, run the pressure cooker under the water in the sink to release the pressure, and then I'm going to open it and check it. Okay guys, so I'm going to pressure cooker this for a little longer. It's getting soft. It is a bit soft, but I want it to be a little softer, so I'm going to put it back on for maybe another 8 minutes. So okay guys, so let's check to see if our chana is soft. I think I need to pressure cook some more. Okay guys, I'm going to test now to see if my chana is soft. Yes, this is much better. What I'm going to do is use a potato smasher to smash the chana or the chickpeas, because we don't want all those big pieces. We want some of them to be smashed. Now at this point we're going to add our salt, and we're also going to add some jeera as well to it. Now guys, what I'm also going to do at this point in time, I'm going to also add 1 more tablespoon of my green seasoning blend at this point, just to enhance the flavor. Okay guys, so our curry chana is now completed. Once again, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you in my next video. Of course, don't forget, if you haven't subscribed, to hit that subscribe button and also the bell notification so that you know when new videos are published. See you in my next video. Bye for now.